Estimate. A jewelry company made 97 emerald bracelets. They used 20 emeralds to make each bracelet. About how many emeralds did the company use? Now, this is an estimation. Okay, so what we're doing is we're trying to find out if there's 20 emeralds per bracelet and 97 bracelets, we are finding 97 groups of 20. So 97 times 20. However, we're estimating here. So 97 is a few numbers away from 100. So I'm going to turn 97 into 100 and do 100 times 20. Now, whenever you multiply 100 to a number, you multiply 1 to that first digit there, or any other digit that's there. But in this case, it's going to be 1 times 2. Write out your 2. Then what we do is we count how many zeros are at the end of each number. 1, 2, 3. We take those 3 zeros and attach them to that 2. 1, 2, 3. So we end up with 2,000. Since this is a word problem and the question is asking about how many emeralds did the company use, we will say about 2,000 emeralds. And that is our estimate.